Welcome to Entertainment with Anas. In this video, we are going to tell you about 10 tip-top facts about TikTok. TikTok is known for its content uploaded by singers, actors, and dancers. The app inspires people to record themselves singing and dancing to then share with friends and the world. But where did this app suddenly spring up from, and where has it become so popular? So let's start the video. TikTok was the most downloaded app globally in 2020. TikTok was downloaded almost 115 million times in March 2020 alone. This made it the most the app has ever achieved to date in 1 month. The growth in downloads was accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic as many people spent time indoors with their smartphones. TikTok is called Douyin in China. The original app of TikTok was launched in 2016 and created by ByteDance in China. They called the app Douyin and then launched it to the Western market in 2017 as TikTok. Douyin is exactly the same app as TikTok, however, in China, it attracts a slightly older demographic with users ranging from children to middle-aged adults. Around 41% of TikTok users are between the ages of 16 to 24. TikTok was designed with a younger demographic in mind. The app allows users to express themselves through lip syncing, acting, dancing, and singing. In 2019, a survey showed that 41% of users were between 16 to 24 years old, and it is no surprise given the point of the app. It attracts a younger audience because of the nature of content creation. It is a form of self-expression. TikTok was originally called Music.ly. Music.ly was launched in 2014 with users uploading short videos of themselves lip syncing and being comedic. However, this changed to TikTok when the two merged in 2017. On November 9, 2017, Chinese company ByteDance, TikTok's founder, purchased Music.ly for $1 billion United States dollars. TikTok hoped to take over the market and attract younger users. The merge happened on August 2, 2018, bringing TikTok users and Music.ly accounts together to form one community. TikTok is globally available app, except for in China, where it has remained a separate version called Douyin. In 2019, TikTok introduced advertisements encouraging users to take breaks from the app. In 2019, as part of TikTok's You Are in Control content series, campaigners were designed to help users. In an attempt to prompt users, TikTok created advertisements to remind users to take a break from the app. The campaign worked alongside TikTok celebrities to encourage users to drink water or get food, or sometimes you can get so lost on the app you forget to take care of yourself. TikTok is banned in India. As of 2020, TikTok has been downloaded a total of over 611 million times in India, which was around 30% of total global downloads. That's more than the total number of downloads in the US, with 200 million downloads as of 2021. However, on June 29, 2020, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology blocked usage of the app in India. TikTok has a time management feature. Before the You Are in Control campaign was uploaded to TikTok, there was an earlier attempt in reducing screen time. This campaign was introduced in April 2019 and encouraged users to take breaks from continuously looking at the screen. The screen time management feature encouraged digital well-being by allowing users to put time limits on their daily usage. This was a response to research into the effects of the app on the mental well-being and brain development of the users. Some studies have shown that watching short videos on a loop can reduce attention span, especially on a developing brain. The average total time spent on TikTok per day is 52 minutes. Statistics from Business of Apps revealed that in 2019, the average total time spent by a user on TikTok was 52 minutes per day. Users will on average open the app 8 times per day and spend around 6 to 7 minutes on the app. That is almost 1 hour of time spent either uploading and creating video content or scrolling through the abundance of content already on the app. Compared with other social media apps, this is a normal average, as Instagram users spend around 53 minutes per day on the app. 90% of TikTok users use the app multiple times daily. Did you know that 3/4 of all apps downloaded are only accessed once, then never used again? This puts TikTok in the remaining quarter, with 90% of its users using the app on a daily basis. As of 2021, TikTok is worth $140 billion. TikTok more than doubled its annual revenue in 2019. By the end of 2018, it was worth 7.4 billion US dollars and reached 17 billion dollars by the end of 2019. TikTok was worth 75 billion US dollars in early 2020, which made it the world's most valuable privately owned company. However, as of 2021, it reached an incredible worth of 140 billion US dollars. As well as being a profitable app, the average TikTok star can earn anything between $50,000 to $150,000 per year. TikTok has become one of the world's most popular and regularly used apps and social media platforms. Its creators have targeted the younger generations and created a slightly addictive platform. However, this platform is a place where teens can express themselves creatively with a global audience from the comfort of their home. Guys, we hope that you like our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel Entertainment with Anas and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.